Give me a chopped cheese.
A what?
Chopped cheese.
Chopped cheese?
A chopped cheese.
A chopped cheese?
A chalked cheese.
People ask me how many dogs I have, I say 3. Romeo, Gigi, and Noah. He's a f***ing liar.
This camping experience is very serious.
I didn't even ask you how it's going.
Sticking up like Noah's ass.
Period.
You know what's kind of creepy?
Kaylee.
There's a mosquito on your head.
One day, LeBron walked into a hotel.
I actually have some serious.
What do you call it when? What do you call it when they stick someone in the ground and they throw stones at them?
Can you stop going so close to me? Please. Please. I did my makeup like 50 hours ago.
Kelly, why are you on your phone, bro?
I'm not. I'm really enjoying the nature.
Oh no, I don't touch it. This is how.
Interview. How do you feel about what Noah just did?
I'm about to murder him. Oh my